Yeah, g'day. Just out here testing some of my stoves, just seeing which ones are the more efficient ones and which ones get things to the boil with my new windshield. So there's the windshield. You can see it's starting to get a bit of colouring on it now, as titanium does. This guy here in the windshield, just under 6 minutes burn time. Didn't quite get the water to the boil with 30 mils of fuel. This guy here, one of the skinny cans, 8 holes, 9 minutes 30 to boil, 2 cups of water, 500 mils, but it ran for 11.5 minutes. This guy here is a standard soda can stove. It's been going for, oh, you can't see it, 7 minutes 45 at this point. We're getting some bubbles, but I wouldn't call it boiling. So what I'll do is I will wait till that one boils or runs out, whatever happens in the next minute and a half, and come back to you and let you know. Yeah, so that standard stove has almost got the water to the boil at 9 minutes 20. Oh, it's boiling now, and it's still burning. So it's on a par with this one so far. Just be interested to see how long it runs for. And there we go, 9 minutes 57, and it's just gone out. But we did get that little rolling boil going. So it seems to me that this one here is the better stove. It's one of those skinny cans. But yeah, boil time the same as this one, but it kept it on the rolling boil for another 2 minutes. So if you're having to sterilize water, that'd be the way to go. Yeah, so that's the 3 that I've made so far. I'll try some other designs over the next couple of weeks, and we'll figure out what one's best. So thanks for watching. If you've got a design that you recommend, add a link in the comments below, so you can have a go and try and make it, and we'll go from there. I'm running 30 mils of fuel to boil 500 mils of water. That's been my test. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Ka kite.